Here I have a numbers chart from 1 to 100. And on the number chart, I'm going to show you how multiples and factors work together in numbers. So let's get started with just multiples. So the pink star represents all the multiples of 2. And remember, when you have a multiple of a number, you are just simply multiplying it by 1, by 2, by 3, by 4, by 5, and so on. So otherwise you can skip count. So if you see the numbers that have a pink star, they're all multiples of 2. We have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50, 52, 54, 56, 58, 60, 62, 64, 66, 68, 70, 72, 74, 76, 78, 80, 82, 84, 86, 88, 90, 92, 94, 95, 96, not 95, 98, and 100. So these are just the first 50 multiples of 2. This could go on forever, so notice we're skip counting. So let's do 3. Notice the light blue triangle is going to represent the multiples of 3. Sometimes a number on here is going to have more than one shape. So let's pay attention to that. So we have 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 32, 36, 39, 42, 45, 48, 51, 54, 57, 60, 63, 66, 69, 72, 75, 78, 81, 84, 87, 90, 93, 96, and 99. These are just the multiples of 3 all the way up until 100. We had to stop at 99 because it doesn't fit into 100. So notice there's a few numbers on here that have the star and the triangle. Keep that in mind. Now let the red circle represent all the multiples of 4. So we're adding our shapes on. We have 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40, 48, 52, 56, 60, 64, 68, 72, 76, 80, 84, 88, 92, 96, and 100. We skipped 44 in there. I don't know why. 44 should have a red dot. Let the black diamond represent all the multiples of 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, and 100. So if you notice, there's a few numbers on there that have a bunch of shapes already. And those are all the factors that fit into it. So 30, we know 2, 3, and 5 are all factors of 30 so far, which is really interesting. Let the yellow rectangle represent all the multiples of 6. So we have 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60, 66, 72, 78, 84, 90, and 96. Yeah. So notice some of these numbers, like number 60, has 5 shapes so far. So that's really interesting. Let the green heart represent all the multiples of 7. So we have 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, 70, 77, 84, 91, and 98. So we can see our chart is filling up with shapes, and these are all multiples. We are doing the multiples. Then if you look at the black number, the shapes around the black number are its factors so far. Let the purple teardrop represent all the multiples of 8. So we have 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80, 88, and 96. So some of our numbers have a ton of factors so far. If you look at 60, that one really catches my eye. 24 catches my eye. All of the shapes represent the factors. Those are the numbers of the factors so far that fit into these numbers. Let the navy sun represent all the multiples of 9. We have 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, 90, and 99. So again, just pay attention to all of these black numbers that have a bunch of colored shapes around it. Now let the brown lips represent all the multiples of 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 100. So when you look at this chart, these are just the multiples of 2 through 10. I didn't do 1 because 1 would be on each one of them. Because 1 times 1 is 1, 1 times 2 is 2, 1 times 3 is 3. So 1 times anything is itself, so 1 is always a factor of that number. And you could keep going with yours, but I just stopped at 10 to show you what we're doing. So if you ever need to know what fits into what, you need to look at your charts that we're going to make together, and that will really help you. Because if I look at 40, I can see that 2 fits in, 5 fits in, 4 fits in, 8 fits in, 10 fits in. I have a lot of numbers, and I have 79. So far, 1 would be its only factor. Since we did 2 through 10, there's nothing else that is its factor that we have found out yet. You could do 11 through infinity on your own to find out all the real factors. But this is just to help you get used to factors and multiples.